Hi, I'm Micah.
I'm Brendan, and this is our friend Charlie and her dad. And today we'll be making super spider ice cream.
So with adult supervision, you can ask your dad to use a can opener to open a can of beets.
Dad, can I use the can opener?
You sure can, Charlie.
Rinse the strawberries, remove the leafy tops, and slice them.
Place the beets, sliced strawberries, and banana in a mixing bowl, then mash them together with a spoon.
Once everything is mashed, add in the half and half lemon juice, vanilla extract, and stevia, then stir to combine.
Pour the mixture from the mixing bowl into a quart-sized resealable plastic bag and seal it.
Next, fill a gallon-sized freezer bag halfway with ice and rock salt or kosher salt.
Place the quart-sized bag inside the gallon-sized bag and seal it.
Use a towel, gloves, or oven mitts to protect your hands while shaking bag for 15 minutes.
Once the ice cream has thickened, remove the quart-sized bag, scoop out a serving, about 1/3 of the recipe, into a bowl, and enjoy.